Good morning, children. Now this is 10th class social studies, children. Now this is the 14th lesson. What is the 14th lesson? The world between wars, 1900 to 1950. That means 50 years. What happened or what events occurred in the world? That means all countries. This is part 2. Part 1 is 13th lesson, children. This is the part 2. So I completed the 13th lesson and also 14th lesson. But in this map pointing also very important. What countries are there in this lesson? For example, I said about Russia. Okay, children. So Russia capital at present is Moscow. But what at the time of 1917, Tsar Nicholas II, what is the capital? Saint Petersburg. What is that? Saint Petersburg. So you must know Saint Petersburg place and also Moscow. Next to the Russians troop defeated German soldiers. That means Hitler. Where? At Stalingrad. You must know the Stalingrad place also. Likewise, here England. What is the capital of England? Where is England? In European countries. Okay. London is the capital of England. Okay. Next one, Japan. Japan is, it started imperial drive in Asia continent countries. Only Japan. So you keep in mind, children. Okay. So that is why Japan joined as Axis power group, children, as the member of Axis power group. In 3 countries. What are the 3 countries in Axis powers? Germany, Italy and Japan. Okay, children. So that's why Japan attacked upon Pearl Harbor, which is belongs to America. So where is America? America is in North America continent. Okay, America, United States of America, USA. Next to Germany. Germany also started occupying the lands. It defeated and it started attacking upon the neighboring countries. Why? Because Germany people, they believed under the leadership of Hitler, their race is the superior or supreme race in the world. Okay, children. So that's why they have the power to conquer the whole world. In this way, they attacked remaining countries. It leads to First World War and Second World War. Okay, children. Germany capital Reichstag. Germany capital Berlin. Okay. USA, United States of America. Capital, what is the capital? Washington DC. China, what is the capital? Beijing. Okay, I will tell you about China in the next class, children. Next, Italy. Italy capital Rome. What is the party in Italy? Fascism is the party of Italy. Who was the leader? Mussolini is the leader. In Germany, what party is important? What is the party in Germany? Nazism. Who's the leaders? First leader is Bismarck. Unification of Germany was completed by Bismarck. Okay, the main leader in Germany, second one is Hitler. Okay, next one, France. France capital Paris. France is the Allied power country. Okay, what are the Allied power countries, children? England, France, USA, USSR and China. Okay, children. So now I want to show you some pictures and maps in your lesson, in your textbook, children. You carefully watch and observe. Look, children. This is Bolsheviks marching on Red Square, Russian Revolution of 1917. Now look, children. Red Square. Where is the place? Red Square. It is in Russia. Bolsheviks. Who are Bolsheviks, children? Russian people. Okay, they started one party. Russian Communist Party. They are called Bolsheviks. Who was the leader? Lenin. Lenin is their leader, children. Okay, after Lenin, who came as leader? After Lenin, Stalin, Joseph Stalin came as leader, children. Joseph Stalin. Now look children, Lenin addressing workers. Look, this is the picture about Lenin children. Lenin died in 1924. When he died, Joseph Stalin came. Joseph Stalin started 5 years plan in 1928. Collectivization of agriculture important. That is called collective farms. Okay children? Okay, now you go to the next pages in this 14th lesson children. Very important. Once you look children here, a poster from USSR. USSR means what? Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. It is formed in 1924 during World War II, saying more metal, more weapon. What is that children? It depicts about more metal, more weapons. So they started armaments. Okay, they started armaments. That means bombs, aeroplanes, helicopters. Okay, for the use of war activities. Okay, children. So that is the picture. Next, children, here look at Great Depression. A New Yorker offers to sell his roadster after losing his money in the stock market crash. Look children, I said about the meaning of depression and inflation. Okay children, at depression time, the people unable to purchase their goods. That means they have no capacity to purchase the good. They lost the purchasing capacity. So that's why the goods became piled off. That is why the production from the factories they stopped. What happened due to the stopping of factories? Many employers became unemployers. Okay children. Now you go to the next page. Now look at here. Women accused of protecting Jews being publicly punished. Look children, how cruelty which is done by Hitler. I said about Hitler. Hitler targeted minority people in his country. Jewish people, main Jewish people. So he sent Jewish people to concentration camps. At Auschwitz center, poisonous gas. He released poisonous gas, and many crores of people, that means Jewish people, died. It is called Holocaust. What it is? Holocaust. Now children, here one important speech, women under Nazis. Look, important one. In an address to women at the Nuremberg party rally on 8th September 1934, Hitler said, "We do not consider it correct for the woman to interfere in the world of the man." In his main speech, we considered it natural that these two worlds remains distinct. What the man gives in courage on the battlefield, the woman gives in eternal self-sacrifice, in eternal pain and suffering. Every child that women bring to the world is a battle waged for the existence of her people. Hitler at the Nuremberg party rally on 8th September 1934 also said, "The woman is the most stable, eminent element in the preservation of a folk. She has the most unerring sense of everything that is important, to not let a race disappear because it is her children who would be affected by all the suffering in the first place. That is why we have
integrated the women in the struggle of the racial community, just as nature and providence have determined so. So that is the speech delivered by Hitler. Who, children? Hitler. Now look at here, I said Hitler sent many Jewish people to the concentration camps. Now look, children, how they became so weak due to the lack of food. Jewish slave laborers in the Buchenwald concentration camp near Jena, Germany in 1945, children. Germany in 1945. Nazi ideology depended on majoritarian principles, children. Jews were merely 0.75% of the population in Germany. Apart from Jews, others who opposed Nazis were also punished. How does the pastor compare this? Okay, children. Now, you look at here one most important map, children. Almost every public examinations they are giving this map in your question paper. So in this area under Japanese control in 1942, children. Areas under Japanese control. Okay, children. Look here, thick marker. Look, this is all. So what are the countries or what are the places here? These all places in 1942 under Japan. Okay, children, under Japan. Look, Malaya, Dutch East Indies Company. Okay, children, New Guinea, Philippine Islands, Taiwan, Korea, okay, Hong Kong, French Indochina. Okay, children. So these all places under the control of Japan. What places not under the control of Japan, children? Look this map once again. India, Nepal, Tibet, China, Mongolia, USSR. These countries were not under the control of Japan in 1942, children. Very important, children. Okay. Now look at here. The index also you look at here. Area under Japanese control, spring 1942. Boundaries, December 1941. Okay, children. Now I want to show you some persons' pictures here. Look, children. 3 leaders sat side by side. Next to here also look 2 leaders. They stood side by side. The first one here is Mussolini, belongs to Italy, children. Dictator of Italy. The party name is Fascism. Fascism means bundle of rods. Next to this man is Hitler. Look, children, Hitler belongs to Germany. Their party is Nazi Party. Okay, Nazi Party. This is the top picture. So here 3 leaders. Who are that? From left to Churchill, Winston Churchill, Roosevelt and Joseph Stalin at Yalta Conference. Very important. At Yalta Conference. What is that conference, children? Yalta Conference. Okay. So these are the main pictures. After lesson also some pictures give in your textbook, children. Look at. So this picture and the matter also given, children. You observe these pictures and matter. If you take the materials, in that materials, answers also there, children, about these pictures. So you must observe and read thoroughly these all questions, because in public examinations almost every year one of the picture will come as question in your public exam. So that's why don't miss, don't neglect, children. Okay children, you practice the map. What are the map pointing in your material, you practice it. Okay, thank you.